Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How na dey my people? Abeg, na today be the first time they come across this channel. My name is Rose. I be mother, a hairstylist, and also a YouTuber. For this channel, we dey do so many things. We dey bring latest news, we dey bring latest hairstyle, and we still dey cook. So everything they find for this YouTube is there for this channel. Abeg, no forget to subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, make sure you turn on notification bell so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you're a subscriber, thank you all so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. I say may God Almighty bless all of us. So today, my people, I don't come again with another video. I bet when I not too vex for me because I did outside. So I won't go buy. I dey go supermarket. Today is my husband's birthday, and I won't make Nigeria shawarma more eat because he say he no want come out. He want just dey inside when they celebrate am. So now they go supermarket. I want to buy chicken and things what I go need for this shawarma. So we'll go, guys.
Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
So I don't buy finish shawarma. Here we go. Let's go and make some shawarma. Alright guys, so I want to start to prepare this shawarma now. I don't already carry my chicken put for plate as now they see am. So I go to add on my ingredients. I get my dry ginger, blended dry ginger, then black pepper, small dry pepper. I will sprinkle and put to give am small hotness. Then my suya spices. So na suya spice, but if you no still get this one, it no matter. Then I get blended garlic for there, blended onions and small maggi with small salt. I'll add everything inside. Now come put small oil, mix everything together.
Even if beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So I'll mix everything together. Make sure say all the whole spicy enter every corner of this chicken breast so that the thing goes sweet well. So I'll add my oil now. I'll put small oil, olive oil. If you use any kind of oil where you get, just add small, mix everything together. And you go allow am marinate for like, if you're not there in a hurry, if you even leave am for like that kind 1 hour or 2 hours. You know, the more you leave am till, the more the sweetness will come out. So I'll mix everything together, then I'll come cover am keep. I'll come start to dey slice my other veggies when I wan use prepare the shawarma. Una go dey see am now.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you.
So guys, the next thing now, I'll start to dey slice all my veggies when I want use to the shawarma. First of all, I'll wash the garbage. I don't really wash am. Then I'll come slice the garbage, slice my cucumber, then I'll come slice my carrots. Then I'll see slice onions. Everything I'll see I'll slice everything. Just set them aside. When I dey slice these veggies, I don already boil my egg, but I'm not sure now where I for boil the egg. See, I don already slice all my veggies finish. Then the egg self don even done. I don peel am, set am aside. So now we'll see the next thing I will do now.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right.
So guys, I don't fry my chicken and my sausage finish. So what I want to do next now, I want pour the carrot, the cabbage, and the cucumber, everything I don't slide, I want to put for this big plate so that I'll get enough space to mix am well. Because now wetin we want na the one dey inside this shawarma na be this one so once I don't mix am together now, I'll come slice the egg put. If I don't slice the egg put, I'll come add my ketchup and mayonnaise. Mind you, before you add the ketchup and mayonnaise, make sure say you put the ketchup and mayonnaise for another plate, then mix am well together with lemon. Get lemon juice, put small lemon juice, then mix am together before you pour am take mix your shawarma sauce wey be the cabbage and the cucumber and the carrot, so that you get the sweetness. Now see wetin I do now. So na so you go take do am.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So after I slice my sausage, come cut my chicken to small pieces. Abeg, if you dey watch video to this extent and you never subscribe to my channel, abeg no fail to subscribe before you comot for this channel. Abeg support me by subscribing. Thank you so much for being here to this point. I really appreciate. So guys, the next thing I want to do now, I will bring my shawarma bread wey dem dey call totten. I'll bring am come outside. Now this totten, you get so many different ones. Some dey sweet pass some. So some still dey soft pass some. If you want buy, it will look like that. Buy, you go check the one wey soft well, wey dey flexible. So now they mix the cabbage with the mayonnaise and ketchup before I start to put am inside the shawarma bread. Alright guys, it's time to add our chicken and sausage. So put everything inside this shawarma bread and then wrap everything together. Make sure say single one not fall come outside. I know if you say me, I'll be expert for this wrapping part, but try your best. So after you don't wrap and finish, you put them for that frying pan where you take fry your chicken before, so that the shawarma go warm small way they chop and the essence with that. So after you don't fry and finish, put them for this kitchen wrap again, so that when you eat them, you know, come stain your hands. So guys, I wanna see this video. I beg now, don't use it of Muna. Make sure say now give this video very thumbs up, and Muna don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I beg, support my channel by subscribing. So now the shawarma be this. I wanna see this video. I also not like her. Wanna do it when I take watch video to this point. As for now, I will say now bye bye till next time.